You asked, we answer.
How to virtual wholesale.
How to virtual wholesale? Well, we do a little bit of it. We don't do a whole lot of it, but we do a little bit of it.
But we know what it is.
We do a lot of virtual wholesaling in our own market, right?
That's a great.
Even
great
though
example.
that it's not like 2,000 miles away, what is virtual wholesaling and how does it differ from just wholesaling in general?
Okay, so virtual
Take it
wholesaling,
away.
I'll take a stab at that one.
Okay.
Virtual wholesaling would be would be wholesaling in another market. So say you live here in
Typically.
say you live here in St. Louis, you're going to virtually wholesale, meaning I'm going to find stuff online and I'm going to buy stuff and sell stuff in Kansas City. So it's virtual. I'm not going to physically see the properties. I think that's the key thing there. So I'm not physically going to the properties. That would make it a virtual thing.
Right.
You're just doing
and again,
it online.
we can do it in our own market if we don't go to the property. It's all done with the computer and a phone, essentially. So what is it? You explained it. It's wholesaling a property virtually. So what is wholesaling? Let's talk about that.
Sure, real quick. So wholesaling is buying at a great price, and then you're going to sell it at a good price. And typically, again, if you're wholesaling in your own market, you're going to run an appointment. So let's talk about what you need to do it virtually, okay? So instead of being able to physically go out to that property, Dave, what would you do? You could do two things. One, you could ask the seller. Ask the seller to go through the house and take 5 pictures in every room.
Or get on FaceTime and record it somehow.
Exactly.
Or have them just take a video of the whole house and send it to you.
All right, there you go.
That's number one.
There was your walkthrough right there.
Boom.
Or you can pay or find someone else to go look at the property.
Partner with somebody or hire somebody.
Exactly.
Yep.
Find someone in that market to go and physically get eyes on that property.
And represent you. That's it. Okay?
So that's
the rest of it is the same. That's the only difference with the virtual wholesale and a normal wholesale. So the next steps are simple. Make an offer. Get a contract. Put it on your website. Market it out via email, text, phone, whatever it is to your buyers list. Market the property on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook groups that are local to your city, community, township, whatever it might be. Find a buyer. Take it to a title company or a lawyer and get that big old shiny check for $10,000. But that's it. It's not that much different. It's just virtual. So have the seller help you get that video or those pictures, or hire somebody, partner with somebody. There's even services that you can pay like $150. They're not going to go represent you and negotiate, but they're going to get your pictures. And then you can do the rest on the phone or via computer. And you can do this very efficiently in multiple markets, and you can also hire virtual assistants or friends or family to help in this endeavor to automate and delegate some of the business. But that's it. That's what virtual wholesaling is. If you are new to this, check out freewholesalecourse.com to learn the basics of wholesaling. And if you want to do it virtual, just do what we talk about in this video to have them help you or do it in another market. Guys, you asked, we answered.